Hey guys, it's Poochie. Let's check out some stuff we've gotten recently that we're going to sell online for a profit. This is a North Face nice fleece little jacket. Okay. Probably sell for 30 bucks, maybe a little over. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren. I like the stripes on this. I'm not sure the age. It might be vintage. I'll have to look into it. This is a New England Patriots windbreaker Puma. Okay, with the hoodie. And on the back, it's got the Patriots spell out. That's what it's called when the name is spelled out. One of the keywords we use is spell out because a lot of people look for that. This is a Tennessee River Gold Tag 76 NASCAR shirt. This one I really like. This one is single stitch, guys. Single stitch. It is probably 70s. It is, oh man, hold on. Hold on, I got this. I cannot read what that says. Might be 85, I don't know, might be 80. I'll have to look up the tag. There is a website called Defunct, DEFUNKD, and you can go on and look up tags and get approximate dates for your shirts. That certainly feels like 70s. Did I show you the graphic on that? Gotta show you the graphic on it. Look at this. Nice big deer with the bow hunter. Really a nice t-shirt. Now I have taxidermy, but I'm not into hunting. So hunting stuff, I know people do it. I know people love it, but you know, that's not something I'm into. This is some sort of a battleship. I don't know. I'm in a military town, so a lot of the stuff that I get is military people, either for U.S. military or they've traveled overseas and brought stuff back. So it's pretty cool. This one is New Sport Tag. This is the CSM Bulldogs. I'm not sure. Single stitch, so it's an older. Should be an older anyway. It feels really new. This one is Authentic Pigment Anvil Tag. Oh, okay, Pepsi Twist. On the older, it's got some discoloration on the back, but double stitch, but Pepsi Twist promo. Does anybody remember Pepsi Twist with the lemon? God, that stuff was awful. Maui Trading Company. Cool Hawaiian style shirt here, guys. Really nice design. I love Hawaiian shirts. I love Hawaiian shirts. Can't even tell you. This is Big Dogs. This is a button front Big Dogs. And I'm not sure why I got this. I think it's because it's like map, Barkbeard Bay, Papua New Guinea, right? It's cool, like big dog themed, casual Hawaiian style with all of the, you know, made up places on the map there, like Papua New Guinea. And liquid blue tag. This is a screen printed tag, so this is not that old, but really cool with the big wolf. What else we got? This is Kia tag, Kia USA, Syracuse Orange Man. Nice, cute little orange man there. This is Side Out tag. V-twin bomb bikes. Wild one. That's a really cool graphic, guys. You see that? The eagle there? Really cool. My old eyes, I cannot tell on the black shirts if it's single stitch or double stitch. Man, I'm telling you, you're going to see me with one of those big eye things, you know, magnifying glass. Here we go. Respect Oakland. Yeah, that's definitely a thing in Oakland. Put some respect on my name. This one has no tag. Single stitch, just a single stitch vintage pink shirt. Again, we don't pay that much for the stuff we get. Unless I tell you that, oh God, we really paid up for this. Probably like $1, $2. This is a lore tag. I love this one. The design on this one's great, guys. Look at that. You see that? That's a really neat design. I'm not sure if that is single stitch. On the Zerby's old tag. Run a marathon, Tennessee Volunteers. It looks like it's their softball team. The official, and then this is interesting, the official wireless provider of the Miami Heat. Kind of a double tie-in with a college team and a pro team. Marina tag, Poorhouse, Live Music Lounge. Oh, okay. Poorhouse Martini Lounge. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So what will happen with these is they will be cleaned, then they will be photographed, measured, stored, and then a lister will go in and take all the photos and all the information from the photos and list them. So this is Harley Davidson. Oh, that's cool. That's why I got it. The back hit is this really cool pinup girl. The shirt's not old. It's 2017, it says. Oh, here's the thing. If you don't know what age a t-shirt is, this is just, you know, basic for you guys. If you look, a lot of times they have a trademark or a date right on them. Can you see that? This is 2017. So that's a really easy way to date things. This is, I don't know. Might be I'm not sure. Oh, wait. It says Dockers Golf. Okay. Nice design though. It's got some Southwestern on the collar. Oh my God, I love cow shirts. Don't even ask me why. This is a best Fruit of the Loom. You see, this is like an old Screen Stars, but when Fruit of the Loom took Screen Stars, the Screen Stars name back. Get off of my shirt. New Holstein, Wisconsin, 1993. The design on the front, that little happy cow making that cheese. That's probably a single stitch too, because it's 1993. I'll check it. We will check it when we go to list it. This is Hot and Spicy Naturals. Hot and spicy. This is, I hope you guys like these videos of our hauls and what we're getting. This is Screen Stars tag, so when you see a Screen Stars tag, right, you see that? You're going to know it's an older shirt, unless it's, you know, counterfeit, but I doubt that. Capital City Barnstormers Air Show Team. Very cool. That's a really cool one. Like, I like the weird stuff. Here we go. K-Swiss. Vintage K-Swiss shirt. This one is Strange Music. See that? It's got to be a band. I'm not sure. This, oh man, this one's so old. The tag is actually, you can't even see. It's completely worn off. It looks like just a single stitch pocket tee. Single stitch plain sells too, but the graphics are what people like. Oh, this is cool. Continuous rope your code. Change management for software development. Okay, so this is it's double stitch, but it's a really cool kind of a rodeo tech software mix. That's crazy. This one is Crazy Tags. Look at that. Maui Pineapple Company. Single stitch shirt. That's cool. Princeton Tigers. I think this is it's a Hanes Heavyweight 50/50. It is a double stitch, but it is an older shirt. Run out of room, man. Hanes Heavyweight 50/50. Aoki Diabetes Research Institute. I think I got this because I like that tree. I like the tree. On the Gildan tag, this is just a California, USA. It's got a lot of wear on that. That logo. Lots of wear. Bugle Boy, the old Bugle Boy polo. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to have to do some work on this because it's got a lot of those little things, Klingons. I don't know what they're called, but everybody calls them something different. Get Psyched, Get Soaked. Anchor Splash, 1993. Delta Gamma. That's a cool hit on that back. That's a nice, bright, colorful design. I'm running out of room, guys. I'm running out of room. U.S. Marine Corps on the jerseys tag. This says Fleet Week 1999. I am so running out of room, you guys. Boomerang Express. This is a Jesus shirt. It all comes back to Jesus. Alrighty. Cool shirt. I am literally running out of room. That's what happens when you buy too much, everybody. This one is a fitness training. It's just an old Avia, little thrashed up down here with the discoloration. We're going to start packing stuff up because I am running out of room. Okay, so this is just a rock shirt. This is 98 Rock Mob, and then the back it says their strength in numbers. Probably, that's a double stitch, but a cool promo t-shirt for radio station. This I really like. This is Reese's Whipped. If you watch Family Guy, Whipped. That's how Stewie says WH sound. Whipped. Okay. This one is, I don't even know. World Baseball Classic. Looks like a Majestic. Oh, cool. We see Parla Baseball. Baseball spoken here. That's a really cool on the back of this, guys. Very cool shirt. What do I got here? Oh, this is awesome, you guys. This is awesome. Haynes Heavyweight 50-50 World Championship of Horse Race Handicapping. Look at that. If someone is into horse racing, this is a great shirt, guys. Very cool. So that is it for this time. We will have more coming because we're always buying. Make sure you go on to our website, poochiespickers.com, and use the code YouTube. If you're interested in buying, it gets you 25% off anything on the website. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. From the pickers, the dogs, and the parakeet rescue. Remember to buy low, sell high, and subscribe.